Hello cozy friends, welcome back to the Cozy Hermit channel. If you're new here, my name is Lynn. As I'm filming this is like the final week of August, but I am so ready for autumn. So as the title suggests of this video, we are going to prep for a cozy autumn. I have to say that for the last few days I'm feeling so good. Like the weather is amazing and I just feel like really healthy and really fit and very strong, and I feel creative. I'm like really in a very good place at the moment and I want to keep it that way. And so I've decided that once September really starts, I'm really going to work on my physical as well as mental health. So I really want to pick back up like daily yoga and work on like breath work, just taking extra good care of myself. And that's also like one of the reasons why I made that tea yesterday, which you just saw in the video, because orange and ginger tea is like very good for your immune system. And I still got some ginger left, so my plan is to probably tomorrow I want to make green tea and then add ginger and lemon slices to it, which apparently is also like an amazing immune system booster. So I'm really looking forward to that. I think I might have found a new hobby which is making special teas, and it's also like super duper delicious. So I'm looking forward to it. And yesterday's was like amazing. I actually already drank that tea in the city a few months ago, and I was like, okay, I can make that at home myself as well, and it just turned out exactly the same, so I'm very happy with that. I'll let you know what tomorrow's tea is going to be like. I'll let you know whether it's like really yummy or not, and I'll be sure to show you the entire process, sharing the recipe. It's very simple, just like yesterday's tea. It's really easy to make and it is totally worth it. But anyway, I just wanted to say that even though this video is all about prepping for a cozy autumn, it is still like summer and the weather is like a super duper summery. We got a bit of like an Indian summer going on at the moment, which is my favorite kind of weather, not gonna lie, even though I'm actually looking forward to sweater weather. But as it is still like rather summery, it's not just about going to be prepping for autumn, but it's also like going to be about slowly saying goodbye to summer, which I think really is part of preparing for a cozy autumn. Just going to do some final summery activities. I plan to go to the botanical gardens later this week and then just bring along a book and just read a bit, maybe have some ice cream, who knows, we'll see. But just those final summery activities before we like really enter sweater season. So I'm looking forward to that though. But for now I'm like really enjoying this time of year. Also the lighting is just amazing. It is like golden. It's like everything just glows during this time of year, especially in the mornings and like around golden hour in the late afternoon. It is just so beautiful. So I know that I said that I'm like a total summer girly, but I think that this time of year, like the end of August and September, I think this is like my most favorite time of year because it's like the perfect combination between summer and autumn, and it's just like these days are just pure gold, they're gold and the light is gold and everything is glowing and it just makes me happy and it really inspires me. So and speaking of being inspired, I'm going to move to the kitchen and where my desk is. Oh, by the way, little update. A few videos ago you saw that we like switched desks around in my home, and now I've got like a really beautiful desk that was first like for years in the living room and it's now in the kitchen, and it has drawers, which is awesome because now I can actually store all of my journal supplies in the same space. So I absolutely love that. First I actually shared the desk with my mom, that has actually been changed around. She now has another desk in another room in the house, and I'm actually sharing the desk with my sister now. But anyway, I'm going to sit there and I'm going to draw some stickers for my journal, and then I'm going to do some journaling for August and really get ready for the autumn season. So I'm definitely going to draw some autumny thingies for the stickers, so I'm really excited for that. Anyway, just let me know, what is the weather like where you are you totally ready for autumn, or are you going to miss summer? I am going to miss summer. I'm definitely going to miss wearing summer dresses, and just I think I'm going to miss those really full canopy trees. I'm going to miss that, but they're going to be here for the next few weeks, so it's okay. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're also looking forward to autumn, and let's get on with this video, shall we? Okay, friends, so here is an unexpected break during my drawing session, but the other day I had joined a giveaway on Instagram to win one of these Starry Sky projectors, these little astronauts, and it already came in today. Like, I did not expect that to arrive so early, so I'm really excited. So the box looks very damaged, but I think it should be okay. So let's open it up together. Oh wow, it's so much bigger than I thought it was. I thought it was like, I don't know, a tiny little thing. It's really big. So this is like the remote control. It comes with a remote control, and nebula and star. So cool. Okay. Little manual. And here is the actual little thing. Look how cute it is. It's pink. That's actually the only reason I entered this giveaway, because it's pink. Well, that and of course the really cool light effects. Wow. So it can stand on this. Oh my god, it looks like it's standing on top of the moon. How cute is this? So do it fit like this, or should I turn it around? Oh, it's quite heavy too, by the way. Okay, so this is so cool. So if you don't know these actually project the starry sky all over your room. It looks absolutely amazing in the video, so I'm really curious to see how this works in real life. So I'm definitely going to check that out tonight when it's darker. We'll look at it together. So cute. So yeah, I'm really happy that I won this giveaway. Like, I enter giveaways occasionally on Instagram, never expecting to win. This is actually the third giveaway I've won via Instagram in like 2 years. So I don't know, I'm very lucky, I guess, because I've spoken to people who are like, I never win these things. So very, very grateful, very happy with this, and really excited to look how this cutie is going to transform my room into a starry sky. So we'll check that out tonight, okay? So now I'm going to get back to drawing. It's so magical. Look at this. Wow. It's like I've got my own personal galaxy just in my room. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. So not me trying on a autumn winter skirt I bought the other day. Wow, it is 28 degrees Celsius today. It's like summer is just like protesting because I'm prepping for autumn and it's like I'm still here. But anyway, I really love this skirt. I've been looking for one like this for so long. I found it on Temu. Absolutely love it. It's super comfortable and it just looks really cute and I cannot wait to wear it once sweater weather is here. So anyway. Hey cozy friends and welcome to Thursday. We are in the city today like I promised earlier in the video. We're going to do some shopping. We're going to check out like the autumn collections and we're going to go to the botanical gardens, so it's going to be lots of fun. Also one of the first things we are going to see if we can buy that is cinnamon, because I am like in my tea era at the moment, and there's also like orange and cinnamon tea which you can make, and I think you can also like combine it with ginger and it just sounds absolutely delicious. And I am obsessed with making teas at the moment, so we're gonna see if we can find some cinnamon, and yeah, we're just going to soak up the autumn atmosphere today. So and summer, because it's actually really warm at the moment, but yeah, let's have some fun.
Just do what I please, yes sir. I ain't got no things, no money, no means, just a wind in the wings. Yes, sir. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. No, I won't come down. I used to bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind.
So soft. How cute.
I see the trees, birds and the beasts and the man and his empty deeds. I see everything. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down.
Okay, so apparently they're out of cinnamon sticks. I'm very sad. So I'll probably have to order them online. So anyway, let's get on with our day.
I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. No one knows when the bell's gonna ring. No one knows much of anything. But when the feast starts, what will you bring? 'Cause no one knows when the bell's gonna ring. No one knows when the bell's gonna ring. No one knows much of anything. And when the feast starts, what will you bring?
Okay, so we are at the botanical gardens, and one of my final summer bucket list thingies is visiting the greenhouse, because all this year I haven't gone in once, and I actually love it because it is so beautiful. There are all kinds of different flowers and trees. It looks amazing. So I just wanted to do this before summer comes to an end. So let's go in.
Spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go, oh, 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 I go, oh, 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 I sing along. I keep pushing myself now, dig deeper, I knew sound more than ever before. Keeps repeating my phrases to see if it changes rules I've gone before, like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you, couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go, oh, 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 I go, oh, 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 I sing along. But the look in your eyes when you told me goodbye is the one thing on my mind. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go, oh,
Are you still alive, Kim?
It's slightly boiling.
It was pretty hot.
How red is my face?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Little bit pinky.
Pinky.
You're pinky.
I'm pinky.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
So we actually came here to just sit here in the sun and read a book, and instead it has become like super cloudy and gloomy. And yeah, it has become more like autumn instead of summer. So I guess I'm getting what I'm asking for, but this wasn't really the plan. But we moved away from the water, and here the wind is like less cold, so it's a lot warmer here, more comfortable. So we're just gonna sit here and read our books here. But still, it's very comfortable and it's very beautiful here, and we're already seeing the first signs of autumn. So that's like kind of a big contrast with the greenhouse we just visited, but it's really beautiful. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to read my book. Okay, so it is suddenly starting to rain, and I took off my shoes, so I tried to get them on fast. And my sister is gone at the moment because she went to the bathroom. So I'm not sure how long this rain will last, because I do see like blue in the sky, and just before I saw sun, but now it is raining, and it's starting to rain a little bit harder. Oh, I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, so I think it is about to stop. I have just put on my shoes, and the sun is breaking through, and the rain is, well, it's still raining just a bit, but yeah, well, we'll see. I have protected the books. I put mine in my bag, I put my sister's in her bag. I hope it's going to stop, because I was having a really good time with my book. Hey friends, so the weather turned out so gorgeous again in the end, so I'm really glad that we like toughed it out in the rain for a bit. Now before we're going to head home, we're actually going to pop in to Flying Tiger for a bit because I am subscribed to their newsletter and I got a newsletter like last week of their brand new autumn collection and I got these adorable glasses with pumpkins on them and I need them. Okay? Yes, and my sister finds us very funny, but I need those in my life. So we're gonna see if they have them. So we didn't want to go earlier because I didn't feel very comfortable carrying glasses with me while I was still like on my way and doing stuff. So I hope they still have them. Let's see.
Got the strangest feeling, ever so appealing. In the back of my mind, I know what's right. Like a lash in my rap, coming out on a whim. Set my heart on fire, steal the night. I've been looking for ages, trying to find the one to live in me somehow. With every heartbeat I feel it, gonna set my sights on you. You make the world go round.
Hey cozy friends, welcome back home and welcome to the next day. So yesterday I actually ended up not buying those really cute pumpkin glasses because they were so much smaller than I thought. I probably hadn't paid enough attention to the newsletter, but they were like really tiny, and to be honest I barely use tiny glasses. Like when I drink my water, when I drink my tea, I tend to get really big glasses. So it kind of felt like a waste of money and then a waste of space. So I was like, maybe not do that. So I ended up going home buying nothing at all. But I couldn't forget some of the really cute autumn decorations I saw back at the first shop we visited. So I did some online shopping, and in their online shop they had the cinnamon sticks I was looking for. So I bought those and I got some really cute decorations as well. And to be honest, today I've already got an email saying that I can pick up the package already, today already, but I'll probably do it tomorrow. And you will see that in next week's video because this video is getting quite long, I think. So I think it would be a nice, cute, cozy opening for next week's video. So then we're going to pick up the package together. And I might buy something else I actually saw in the store and I chose not to buy, but I'm regretting my decision. So we'll see that next week and I will see that tomorrow. So I just want to say thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider hitting that like button, maybe even subscribe to the Cozy Hermit channel if you haven't already, and just let me know if you are ready for autumn as well. Are you like saying your goodbyes to summer? What is one of the things you're looking forward to most of autumn? I'm definitely looking forward to sweater weather and just the really cute, cozy autumn decorations. So I'm very excited for that. Anyway, I hope to see you guys again in next week's video when we're going to pick up those decorations. And until we meet each other again, as always, stay cozy.